Find the 10th term of the geometric sequence -3, 6, -12, etc. So let's identify a sub 1, the first term, would be -3. R, which is the common ratio, you can either do 6 divided by -3, or you could do -12 divided by 6, but that gives us a common ratio, R, of -2. We're interested in the 10th term, so our formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1, and we want a sub 10, so that would be equal to -3 times -2 raised to the 10 minus 1. So that's equal to -3 times -2 raised to the power 9. That's equal to -3 times -512. And that's a sub 10. If we multiply those together, we get a sub 10 is equal to 1,536. So the 10th term is 1,536.